Well, welcome back to the Evansville Museum's Kitchen Sink Science Demo Program. We're here to talk about eggs today. And look for the things around your kitchen. We happen to find an egg. It just happened to be there. So what can we do with the egg? What do you think, Sue?
I don't know, Todd. I usually eat them for breakfast.
Oh, yeah. But I'll tell you, my guess is if you've handled an egg, somebody in your life has told you, don't drop your egg because it'll be a mess. So let's see if that's true.
Okay.
See if that's true.
I bet I can bounce this egg.
Well, let's see if it bounces. Uh-oh.
Oh, it cracked.
Bob, try it again. Ah! You killed it.
I killed that egg.
It's all done.
It's a done.
Okay. Well, do you think that happens with every egg, though?
Well, I see you have some here that look different.
I do. So what I did is I took one of those eggs that wasn't all cracked and I put it in a cup. I took the egg and put it in there and I added some vinegar to it. And I let it sit for 48 to 72 hours.
How many days is that?
2 to 3 days.
Thanks,
and I just let it sit in the refrigerator. You can't seal it up real tight because the vinegar and the shell, this white part of the shell interacts and it creates carbon dioxide, bubbles. So when you put the egg in, it bubbles. And what that does, all that talk, is it removes the shell.
So the vinegar kind of eats away at the shell?
And it makes it disappear. And what's left is a bouncy egg. And I tell you what, you want to hang on to the egg? I'm going to get you a pan. And we're going to show people that it indeed bounces.
Okay, I'm going to bounce the egg, Todd. Cool!
It bounces.
It does.
Wow.
So that vinegar made the membrane really tough on it, didn't it?
Yes.
Is it still raw inside?
It's
Todd?
still raw inside, so let's see if we can see that inside. The yolk's right in there. Now, could you eat it? Yes, but it sure wouldn't taste very good. It'd be kind of vinegary.
Yeah.
And for St. Patrick's Day, we did a demo, and we put food coloring into the vinegar, and we made the eggs green. And so they came out with a green hue to them. But I tell you what, I'm a doubting Thomas. What do you think would happen if you dropped that from way up?
Oh, I better stand back, Todd.
All right. Oh!
It broke, just like you said.
That's why we have lab coats on. And why we call it kitchen sink science. We just scoop that into a garbage can and we be off. So thanks a lot.
That was
you showed
fun.
me a lot. Yeah, I had lots of fun too. Thank you very much. Bye.